So I'm here at AutoZone. It's was built last year. So I figured out the problem with the winch. The problem is the batteries that I have are lithium, and they only generate 200 amps. So I need a bigger battery that will generate 1000 amps, like a truck battery or something, and that should work for what I need to do. So I'm gonna just go buy here a battery and then connect it. I will charge when I use it, so it stays on all the time. So it's first day already. Guess what? I'm already at Home Depot. So I'm gonna get another AC. This time I'm buying a unit, an inside unit, an indoor unit. So this way it's not gonna rust. It's gonna be inside until I install the mini split. So hopefully I know they have it here because I saw it online. So I need a cart actually. Let me go get a cart. All right, so I'll show you when I get there. Hey, good morning. I just arrived. I arrived last night. So I fixed the winch. I will show you a little bit later on a specific video for that. But yeah, I did fix that. It's working. I have the new battery and it's working. So yeah, so I had to clean up a little bit. And yeah, life is good. The container looks good. So my the bush here are growing a little bit. I planted additional bushes here. My palm tree, the palm tree is great. It's sprouting. So yeah. So today what I will do is I fixed the camera. Some of the batteries of the cameras were dead, so I replaced those, and then I will start installing the ramp or the rail, I should say, from the stairs. So I need to build a rail. I didn't want to do it last time because the weight of the stairs were too much for the small, but now it's fine. This winch is 1300 pounds and it's working well. So yeah, that's about it. So I have a new addition here. I added this AC, portable AC here, connected for here. So this is temporary because I need to have I want to install a mini split. So here, from here to here, eventually I'm gonna have the door here. So I'm gonna put the door right there, so it will you know, remove this when I have the door. But when I have so the idea is when I have WAPA, the full WAPA, the 220, I'm gonna have this I'm gonna install mini splits instead of these. But this will be this AC here, portable AC, is the best for the island, at least when you're close to the ocean. So what I found out is when you have like a Windows unit, they rust, like they last about 4 or 5 years, and then they rust and they stop working. But the idea of the portable one is everything is inside, so it doesn't rust. And as long as you have, like, you know, the things like the vent that goes outside, it's the best. So and also the portable one, if you buy like a big model, like this one is a 10,000 BTUs, the noise, they're less noisy than the Windows unit. So eventually what I will do is put this one that I purchased, and I will put it, you know, in one of the corner as a backup. And then I will remove this old AC that I have, this small AC, this 6500 6000 BTU or something. So I will replace it with this one. So this way, knowing that this one will always be, all right, let me check. So knowing that this one will always be like you know, working well because it stays inside. Obviously it's not gonna last like 20 years, but it should be lasting at least 10 years or something. So yeah, so it makes a big difference. I needed one more AC to keep the inside, you know, temperature to 70 degrees, 71, you know, and things like that. So it's good. So I'm making the ramp, and after that, like tonight, I'm gonna start painting inside and finishing some of the cabling, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to get some stain, and then start painting outside here, stain the wood, and then just keep pushing to get this done. So I'm here all week, and the idea is to get everything done by the end of the week. So next time I come, it's going to be inspection, and then start the cistern, and that's it. After that, I go for the certificate of occupancy. All right, I'll keep you updated later. So I started the railing for the stairs. I had to go to Home Depot to get more pressure treated wood. So let me show you how it looks like when we go to Home Depot. So I got some 2x4, some metallic mesh or something, because I'm gonna do one of my project this week is to do a slab here underneath, so it's gonna put even more weight, similar to like this one here, similar to this one. So put more weights, so this way, you know, whoop, it's raining. So this way, when it's raining like this, when it's raining, we can just go here in the shade and under the container with the cement slab. So this way there's no sand fly or anything, and it's nice and even for lounge chair and stuff like that. So all right, let me unpack. All right, so just arrived from Home Depot, so I need to take these things out. All right. That's it. So I bought this one because I want to protect where the batteries are, so kids or people don't touch the batteries. So I'm gonna do like a cage around them. All right, Caribbean view. It's raining on and off, but it's okay. So many things to do. I have so many things to do. So all right, it's about lunchtime, day one, and I'm gonna make some food. All right. So I started digging for the slab under the container. Just check here. You see, I have it here. Already here all the way. So if I go back a little bit, so bottom line here, like this, all the way down, all the way to the side. So all under the container, I'm gonna have a slab, a 4-inch slab, and then you know, this way we can have a lounge chair and stuff, and be under in the shades, or when it rains, you know, under the container. So that's about it. I'll show you a little bit later. Well, I'm done with digging the slab foundation. Let me show you. There you go. I just need to put the rebar, and I bought these things here. All nice. Where's the work? A lot of digging, but it's gonna be so nice. Eventually I will put like a bed with suspended bed or something, with long chair and stuff, and tables, and it's gonna be nice. All right, it's time to relax a little bit. I'm gonna continue to do the stairs now that the sun is out a little bit. But this is a big thing. This is a big thing. Glad I'm done digging.